What's up guys, Andrew here. In this video I'm going to show you how to download and install the Blazar VPN on your Android phone. Go ahead and open up your Play Store guys, and just want to ensure that you tap on apps. You can either check the top charts to see if you find it there. I'm going to scroll on a bit to see if it's anywhere in this list. Maybe there, maybe not. And as you can see right here guys, I can find it, the Blazar VPN. If not, you can easily go ahead and use a search and simple type in Blazar, and you will see Blazar VPN. You can go ahead and scroll on, you'll find it. So you tap on that, tap on install. It's going to take less than a minute, I would say, to download and install on your phone. As you can see, it's currently installing already, and in no time it's going to go ahead and install. As you can see, it's done. All you have to do is open up the Blazar VPN. Simple, go ahead and click and connect. Continue from there, go ahead and click and allow, go ahead and click and allow again, and right here you don't have to do anything. Right here you can say not now, and to go ahead and connect, just simple choose whichever region you want. As you can see, you have a bunch of regions there. So let's say I want to use Germany. I can tap on that, then I can exit the X there, tap on, click on OK, and as you can see right now I'm now connected to Blazar VPN. And that's pretty much it guys.